Hello, my name is Jolynn Stockton. I'd like to welcome you to a tour of my ePortfolio site. I am completing my master's degree in instructional technology. This ePortfolio site highlights some of the things that I have learned and accomplished, and I'm excited to show you around. The home page here just, of course, gives my name, has a picture of me. When we click here under Candidate Info, there are 3 tabs, which include personal information about me, including an introduction, how I got into the MIT program, my professional and personal goals. Additionally, under this tab is my technology philosophy, as described here. And the third tab under Candidate Info includes my current resume. The next tab over here is the activity evidence that I have for having completed the MIT program at Fort Hays State University. The first item here in the drop-down menu is a professional development plan. So this is a list of topics and issues that I would like to cover if I were to be giving some professional development. Some of my favorite topics, which will be highlighted a little bit later in my videos, are the use of clips in the classroom, Nearpod as a great technology tool, and also highlighting some different assistive technology options. Let's see here. So speaking of which, here are my professional presentations to include how to use Story Jumper, how to create a Powtoon, and how to use ThingLink. These are all great websites or programs that I had the privilege of learning about. And so these are videos that I've created as professional presentations. These are professional training videos. Again, Clips is an app that I really like, especially for young children, which is where I teach. Google Slides is especially useful for educators, and then Nearpod is something that's a little bit new to me, but I'm really excited about. There are also 3 article summaries. I covered the topics of bring your own device policies, teacher preparedness to utilize technology in the classroom, and assistive technology. Here under reports, I have had a peer review my site and give me good feedback, which I took and then made changes to my site, and then also a professional review forum performed by a colleague. And then finally, this is my reflection back over the course of the MIT program. I'm looking back over 2 years as to why I wanted to get into the MIT program in the first place, and then how, of course, it matched up with, reality, my perception versus my reality. One of the questions I pursued as I reflected back on my program was whether I was a more relevant teacher because I'd been through the MIT program. And through reflection and analysis, I can honestly say that I am a more relevant and effective teacher because I've gone through this program. I got my degree many years ago, and technology wasn't something that was really taught in my program, and it really needs to be a part of the education program so that we can prepare students for the 21st century. And I want to be a leader in that area, and I have learned so much and grown so much, and I'm just excited to take all these things that I've learned through the MIT program and apply them in the classroom and in my professional life. Thank you very much.